Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omar and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If this is your first time on my channel, you are most welcome and I hope you like it here enough to subscribe. If you were a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back and watching my videos. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you my all-time favorite night mask. It is very easy to make and the chances are you already have these ingredients in your kitchen. If you want to see how I make this night face mask, then keep on watching. So the first ingredient is turmeric. Now we all know that turmeric is a versatile spice that everyone and their mothers and their church members and their neighbors, basically everyone uses turmeric. Turmeric can be used for cooking, can be used for drinking because it actually boosts the immune system because it is rich in antioxidants, and now we're using it for the skin. So turmeric is very versatile. It has that brightening effect that works beautifully for the under eye area, and it also suits the skin. The second ingredient for this face mask is milk. Now milk is actually tricky to use on the face. So if you're allergic to dairy products or lactose intolerant, I strongly advise you opt for plain yogurt because it has undergone fermentation, making it safe for those that are allergic. Now milk and yogurt contains an acid called lactic acid, which helps in exfoliating the face mildly and removes dead skin cells from the skin. The last ingredient, which is honey, serves as a humectant in this face mask, which means it adds moisture to the face, and in return this gives the face that hydrated, glowy and supple look. So the next step would be to combine all your ingredients together and mix well. If you feel it's too thick, you can loosen it up with rose water to your preferred consistency. So this is the consistency I'm working with, and I'm going to be using the face brush to apply this to my face generously. So I quickly wanted to point out for this DIY face mask, consistency is the key word. If you really want to have that effect and get the benefits of this face mask, you need to be consistent with it. If you try it out once, you wouldn't get the whole benefit, but once you do it once or twice in a week consistently, you will definitely see the results. So once I'm done applying, this is what I have left, which can last me 2 to 3 times. I'm going to leave the face mask for 10 to 20 minutes. Feel free to leave it longer. Now once I wash my face, it feels instantly smooth, soft and hydrated. So guys, you've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. Please do not forget to like, share and tell your friends and family to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.